Mount Fuji, Japan's iconic symbol. Mount Fuji stands as Japan's highest peak, reaching an elevation of 3,776 meters. Renowned for its symmetrical cone shape, this dormant stratovolcano is not only a natural wonder but also a cultural icon that has inspired artists, poets, and pilgrims for centuries. Its significance extends beyond its physical presence, representing a rich tapestry of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. Mount Fuji is a stratovolcano formed through layers of lava, ash, and volcanic rock. Its last eruption occurred in 1707, during the Edo period, when it spewed ash over Tokyo and surrounding regions. The volcano's formation can be traced back over 100,000 years, with its current shape being the result of multiple eruptions and geological activity. The mountain is part of the Fuji Hakone-zu National Park, surrounded by picturesque landscapes, lakes, and hot springs, which further enhance its allure. Mount Fuji holds a special place in Japanese culture and spirituality. It is often considered a sacred site, with a long history of religious significance. The mountain is associated with Shinto beliefs and has been a pilgrimage site for centuries. Many view it as a deity, and shrines dedicated to Fujizan can be found at its base. The mountain has also inspired countless works of art and literature. The famous woodblock prints by Katsushika Hakusei and Ando Hiroshige depict Mount Fuji in various seasons and settings, showcasing its majestic presence against the backdrop of everyday life. These artworks help to popularize the image of Mount Fuji worldwide, cementing its status as a symbol of Japan. Climbing Mount Fuji is a popular activity for both locals and tourists. The official climbing season runs from early July to early September, when the weather conditions are most favorable. There are 4 main trails to the summit: the Yoshida Trail, Subashiri Trail, Gotemba Trail, and Fujinomiya Trail. Each path offers unique experiences and views, catering to climbers of various skill levels. The Yoshida Trail is the most popular route and is easily accessible from Tokyo. It features mountain huts where climbers can rest and acclimatize, making it a favorite for those looking to summit overnight. The climb typically takes about 5 to 7 hours to ascend and 3 to 5 hours to descend. Climbing Mount Fuji is more than just a physical challenge, it is a spiritual journey for many. The act of ascending the mountain is seen as a rite of passage and a way to connect with nature and the divine. The view from the summit of Mount Fuji is breathtaking. On clear days, climbers are rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, including the Pacific Ocean and the sprawling cities of Tokyo and Yokohama. The sight of a sunrise from the summit, known as Goraiko, is particularly inspiring and attracts many climbers who aim to reach the top before dawn. In addition to the natural beauty, the summit features a crater that is about 800 meters in diameter. Visitors can walk around the rim and take in the 360-degree views. There are several small shrines and a weather station at the summit, contributing to the spiritual atmosphere of the location. Mount Fuji is not only a cultural and spiritual icon, but also a vital ecological area. The surrounding region is home to diverse flora and fauna, including endemic species. The mountain's ecosystems are protected as part of the Fuji Hakone-zu National Park, which aims to preserve the natural beauty and biodiversity of the area. However, increased tourism has raised concerns about environmental conservation. Efforts are being made to manage the impact of climbers and visitors, including waste management initiatives and educational programs promoting responsible tourism. Local organizations and the government work together to ensure that Mount Fuji remains a treasured natural asset for future generations. Throughout the year, Mount Fuji serves as a backdrop for various festivals and events. One of the most notable is the Fujisan World Heritage Festival, celebrating its designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2013. This festival features traditional music, dance performances, and cultural exhibitions that highlight the mountain's significance. Another popular event is the Fujisan Shinyoen, a religious ceremony that involves a procession to the mountain's summit, where participants offer prayers and rituals. These events not only celebrate Mount Fuji's cultural importance but also foster community spirit and promote awareness of its heritage. Beyond its natural and cultural significance, Mount Fuji has made its mark in popular culture. It appears in various films, anime, and literature, often symbolizing Japan itself. Iconic scenes in movies like The Last Samurai and Studio Ghibli's Spirited Away showcase the mountain's grandeur, further embedding it in the global consciousness. Moreover, Mount Fuji has become a popular motif in fashion and design, with its image gracing everything from clothing to household items. This blend of tradition and modernity reflects the mountain's enduring appeal and relevance in contemporary society. While Mount Fuji continues to be a beloved symbol of Japan, it faces challenges related to climate change and tourism. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns may impact the mountain's ecosystem and the climbing experience. Additionally, the influx of tourists raises concerns about overcrowding and environmental degradation. To address these challenges, ongoing efforts focus on sustainable tourism practices, conservation initiatives, and community engagement. Educational programs aim to raise awareness about the importance of preserving Mount Fuji's natural and cultural heritage. Mount Fuji stands as more than just a mountain. It is a symbol of Japan's natural beauty, cultural richness, and spiritual depth. Its majestic presence has inspired generations and continues to attract climbers, artists, and visitors from around the globe. As we look to the future, it is vital to balance the preservation of this iconic landmark with the needs of a growing population of tourists and climbers. By fostering a deep respect for its cultural and environmental significance, we can ensure that Mount Fuji remains a cherished part of Japan's identity for generations to come.